Assalamu alaikum class 6, how are you all? Wish you all a very good day. Alright class 6, I want to tell you that because of this lockdown, the situation hasn't improved and we are forced to stay at home. Schools, they haven't reopened yet. So before we were taking it very slow and we were taking it slow and easy, keeping in mind the situation, but we have to cover our syllabus as well. So we have to we will be doing more work uh, starting this term. So you will be covering a lot of work, not a lot, but comparatively more work. You can say that the work you do on single period or a double or block period, that's what we will be doing from now onwards. Okay, so please be more attentive, be give your complete attention to the lectures and try to keep up with us. Okay, try to keep up with your lectures. All right, and you will be doing covering more exercises. So please, it is not a difficult thing, it's not a difficult task, you are used to it. So just keep up the pace. All right, just need to improve the pace. Okay, so we are going to start our comprehension lesson number 7. This is our 52nd lecture and first part of our comprehension. All right, so kindly open your understand and communicate book number 1. We are going to do lesson number 7, the useful coconut palm. Please look at the picture. Have you all opened your lesson number 7 of comprehension? Understand and communicate book number 1. Alright class. Look at the picture. What do you see? First read the title, the useful coconut palm. So how the coconut palm is useful, right? What are the uses? Just look over here, you can see tree and coconuts and the juice inside, right? And can you look at, it's a drink and there's a duster, a plate, you can make, I think it's a cake, right? In the first picture there's a cake, there's a mug, you can drink, you can make liquids from it, make drinks from it. Look at the house, you can build houses, right? Look at the boat. Do you think we can build boats as well? And this is a lamp, right? It's a lamp, and there is a wick inside, and there's an oil. Do you think it is coconut oil? And do you think the lamp is made from the coconut palm? What about the wick? Do you see a wick is burning in the last picture, shaded in pink and brown? This is a coconut lamp, right, made of coconut, and there's a coconut oil in it. Do you think it's coconut oil? And what about the wick which is burning? Do you think it is also made of coconut? Look at the brooms, and this is a carpet, brooms, right? And a brush, and so many things. Do you think they're all made of coconut or coconut palms? Coconut palm. Is this why it is said that coconut palm is useful? Let's read on. But before reading further, I would like to share the words' meanings, right? There are some words which may be complicated or new for you. So I have written the meanings, for your ease, so that, when I am reading on, you will not have any difficulty in trying to find out in knowing the meanings of these words. So the first word is grove. Grove is woods, right? Woods. Okay, woods, where there are trees, fruit trees, or other kinds of trees, right? Grove is wood. Palms. Palms are trees. They can be coconut palms, right? Tropical trees, right? Date palms. Tropical trees, shrubs, or vines. Grapes grow on vines. Have you heard of a grapevine? Grapes, they don't grow on trees, they grow on vines, right? Strange. Strange means something which is weird, which is strange. It's so weird, right? Not ordinary, not common. Weird. Furnishings. Now, when you go to a house, do you notice the furnishings? How the house is decorated, the furniture, how it is furnished, right? So furnishings means articles of furniture, right? Pieces of furniture. It can be tables, bed, dressing tables, side tables, or in the consoles. They all are included in furnishings. Wick. We saw a wick, right, burning in the last picture. It's a bundle of fibers or threads, which we burn. Every candle has a wick on it, right? We burn the wick. Equip means to furnish or to prepare, to prepare yourself, or to furnish. To be well equipped means to be well prepared, right? Sails means, have you seen ships and boats? There are sails, a piece of cloth which is tied by a rope, and the wind, with the pressure of the wind, it is the sail which helps in moving the ship by the help of the wind, right? By the help of the wind. So sails are fabric or cloth used to propel, to move a ship with the help of wind. Fishing lines. Have you seen people trying to catch fish? They are holding rods or lines, and which are attached to a hook. They throw the thread or that cord down in this water, and with the help of that, they attach. Sometimes they attach worms or something to those hooks, and what happens? They catch fish, right? Fishing lines are the long cord line attached to a hook for fishing. Variety. Varieties of different types of different forms, right? Indefinitely, something which is not definite, right? Right? Not specific. You don't know. It is undefined, unclear, not precise, right? Acres of land means areas, right? Areas of land or just lands. Argue. If you disagree with someone, you are going to argue. For example, I will say, okay, do you think junk food should be banned or not? And some people will say they should be banned, others will say no, they should not be banned. So they will argue over it, right? They will disagree. All right. Bark. You must have seen, trees have barks, right? The exterior part, the strong exterior part of root or stem, they're called bark. Sap is the the juice inside of a plant. Fluid juicy part, right? Inside of a plant, fluid is called sap. Curve is something which is uh, in a semicircle, which is bent, not straight, in an arc shape. Reckoned. I reckon, I estimate, I think, I count, I calculate, right? Spiraling. Spiraling is to go, wind, to go in a, going round, round. Have you seen coil? You must have seen, mosquito coils, right? You know what a coil is like, let's think of a mosquito coil. Is it round and round? It's in a spiral shape, right? So it's called spiraling. Scars. We read, Scarface. That chapter Scarface. Why was he called Scarface? Because he had a scar on his face. He had a mark on his face. Scar means marks. Original is something which is, not copied. It is not copied, which is original or authentic, right? Earliest, initial, first, not copied. A field. A field is something related to a field, or, further away, at a distance. Away from your, out of the way. Sprouting is something which is growing. You can see seeds sprouting, or you can see a flowers, or sorry, you can see leaves sprouting from a stem. So sprouting means growing, growing out. Inland means something which is inside, the interior part, inside. Mysterious is something which is not clear, which is ambiguous, unclear. Affinity. You have an affinity with, you have a close relationship with something, or you feel affectionate towards, or you feel a love towards something, or like you feel a great liking for something. So you are leaning towards it, bending towards that thing, or you have a tendency, to do something in particular. So you have an affinity with it. Okay. Coast is a seashore, a border, right? Seashore, the shore of a sea, or a border of border. Peninsulas means land surrounded by water. Peninsulas, that land which is surrounded by water, right? Vital is important, significant, important, essential. Alright, class, now please open your lesson number 7, the useful coconut palm. Alright, I am going to read it out. I have given you the meanings. already, and I'm going to provide you, these slides as well, so you can, read them again and again. You can read them and try to, learn the meanings, try to understand, comprehend the meanings of these words, and then, listen to my lecture again, so that you will have no trouble in understanding the new or complicated words. One night in the Philippines, you can see Philippines, Philippines, they're both correct. One night in the Philippines, I stood in a grove of great coconut palms with an old man who had spent his life tending them. So he was standing in a grove of great coconut palms. There was not just one palm, there were more than one, right? And there was an old man who was tending them. Tending means to look after something, to take care of something. Who had spent his life? Spent his life, all his life had been spent doing something, right? All his life had been, spent taking care of them. If you could count those stars, he told me, pointing to the sky, then you could count all the ways that coconuts serve us. So, you know that, sorry, I was about to fall down. So, you know that um, when you go to a restaurant or a hotel, there are waiters there, and they serve us drinks, they serve us, with our food, whatever we have ordered. So, serve means to, provide some service to us. So, over here it means that there are so many ways that coconuts serve us, that they provide for us, right? So, there are, they provide for us in so many different ways. In there, the ways are so as countless as the stars, right? You count the stars? No, it is impossible to count the stars. And same way, there are the countless ways in which coconuts serve us. Come to the second paragraph. Many people call it the tree of life. Why is it called the tree of life? Because they say that tree of life is, by that they mean that it is very useful for our life. It gives us life in many ways. It provides for us, it gives us food, it gives us drink, we can make house from it, we can, you just saw in the pictures, we can make a lamp from it, we can make furniture from it. So, many things, requirements of our life, it fulfills the requirements of our life, the necessities of our lives, and it even provides for the luxuries of our lives as well, right? So that is why it is called the tree of life. And indeed, this strange palm is by far the most useful of all trees. So there are many other trees, but palm tree is by far the most useful. What other tree is there that provides not only material to build an entire house? It gives you the material to build an entire house, a whole house. But most of the furnishings, the furniture like bed, mattresses, carpets, brooms, with which we sweep our room, cups and saucers with which we drink, and the saucers, on which we put our cups, even soap and toothbrushes. Everything we get from the coconut trees. That not only heats the house with fire, we can use them to, fire, as to, fire the logs. We just use the palm trees to, to give us fire to heat, we fire the logs of the tree to give us warmth, to give us fire, right? And cools it with fans. But we can also make fans, but also lights it. So it also gives us lamps with a coconut wick, burning coconut oil in a coconut lamp. The lamp is made of coconut, the oil is of coconut, and the wick is also made of coconut. Have you seen any other tree having so many uses? Third paragraph. The coconut palm provides clothes for the whole family. It gives the fisherman materials to build his boat and to equip it with sails, ropes, fishing lines, and nets. So, why is it called tree of life? It, material to build a house, furnishings which includes beds, mattresses, even carpets, and other essentials, other necessities, other accessories like brooms, cups, saucers, soap, toothbrushes, and then, it provides us with fire, with fan, and even with a lamp, and gives us clothes. And a fisherman It gives materials to build a boat and sails, ropes, fishing lines, and nets. It not only cooks food but provides the actual food to be cooked. We can not only use it to fire as a fire to fire, to cook our food, to fire the logs on which we cook our food, but actual food to be cooked. The coconut can be used, as food, as well as a variety of drinks. Different kinds of drinks can be made from coconut juice. A single good nut has as much protein as a 4-ounce steak. Wow. A single nut has carries, packs so much protein as a 113-gram steak. You could live indefinitely on the tree's products. Indefinitely means without, limitlessly, without any, limit. Indefinitely means something which is not defined, not specific, right? Limitless. Indefinitely, you don't know for how long. In industrialized nations, countries who are, developed, industrialized, people use coconut palm products every day in factories, kitchens, cars, and the manufacturing of cigarettes, and new uses are constantly being found. Not only the old things, old uses, but new uses are also being, being discovered as well, invented. Nearly 11 million acres are currently planted with these trees. So acre या pieces or land, right? With these trees, and some 25,000 million nuts are used every year. Some argue that the coconut palm is not really a tree. It's not. Alright? Is not really a tree at all. It has no branches and no proper bark. So it has no proper bark, no trunk, no proper bark, right? In bark is the exterior, the hard part of a root or stems. In normal trees, the bark carries the vital sap. It's a vital is the important, essential. Sap is the fluid, right? The coconut palm sap rises through the whole diameter, through the whole trunk. So the sap rises through the whole trunk. The trunk is on which there are, branches and, branches and leaves. They all are standing on a trunk, tree trunk. First there are roots, and then, roots, then the stem, and the stem, grows. When it's a tree, it becomes a trunk. While most tree trunks taper, the coconuts is the same diameter almost all the way up. The trunks, as you go higher, they become, thinner and thinner. But coconuts, they are the same, right? Same diameter almost all the way up. Though it always seems to have some curve or leaning. It, leaning means bend. It bends. It has no growth rings either. A trunk has, rings inside. The older the trunk is, the more growth rings it will have. Sometimes, have you seen it? When you cut a trunk, you see that there are rings inside. It shows the years as well, the year of the age of the tree. So, the older it gets, it has rings, growth rings. But, the palm of a coconut has no rings, right? It's the same diameter, and it curves, right? It only curves. But its age can be reckoned by a spiraling row of scars, right? You cannot tell its age by the rings, but by a spiraling. Spiraling is winding, right? A winding which is, going in circle, right? A winding row of scars, of marks left by leaves that have fallen away. One scar a month. So you can tell its age by the spiraling row of scars, the winding, the row which is going in circles, right? Scars are left, the marks are left by leaves which fall down. So it gets one scar every month. So it's 1 month old, it's one scar, 1 month, two scars, 2 months, right? Most trees bear fruit only once a year. But at any given moment, the coconut has 12 different crops on it, ranging from the opening flowers to the ripe nuts. So they only bear one fruit. But it has 12 different crops, provides us with different crops, 12 in number, and ranging from the opening flowers to the ripe nuts. Alright, let's move on. The last paragraph. Alright. The last paragraph of the first page. The coconut palm demands plenty of sunlight and rain. For a coconut plant to grow, it needs plenty of sunlight and rain. Southeast Asia seems to have been its original home. Original, its authentic home, its initial first home. But today it grows on islands in the Pacific and Indian Oceans, in the Caribbean and East Africa, and even further on, away from all these places. How did it spread so widely? It is spreading. The coconut palms are spreading widely. How are they spreading so widely? Doubtless, man planted. Doubtless, without a doubt, man planted most existing palms. The palms. Most of them are planted by a man, but they can even spread themselves. They don't need to be planted by a man. They can spread them by themselves as well. And how do they spread? Nuts fall from overhanging palms. Nuts, they fall from the palms into the sea. And what happens? When the nuts fall from the palms into the sea, they float on the water. They are floating like a boat floats, right? Until they are cast up on some friendly beach. Why is that beach called friendly? Because it is not only accepting those nuts, it is fertile enough to help that nut grow into a palm tree. That is why it is called friendly beach, because that beach has welcomed that nut or those nuts, and not only welcomed but also provided with the fertile land in which it can grow and it can sprout and it can grow into a palm tree. Some years ago, volcanic action threw up a new little island in the East Indies. So in East Indies, what happened? There was a volcanic eruption. You know what a volcano is? A volcano, which can burst, which erupts. And what happened? It threw up because of that eruption, there was a new island formed in the East Indies. And you know how hot it is? It's a molten lava. It's all burning fire, right? Molten lava. When it cooled off, enough for men to be able to visit it, what happened? They found 41 coconuts cast up on the beach and sprouting. So there were no coconut uh, palms at that time over there, but because of that volcanic eruption, what happened? A new island was formed, and they found 41 coconuts which were cast up, which was thrown up on the beach, and then they were sprouting, they were growing, right? The palm can grow inland as well, inside, but it has a mysterious affinity with the sea. So it can grow inland, it doesn't need to be near the sea, but it still prefers the sea, right? It has a tendency towards the sea, or affection or liking, affinity, relationship with the sea, which is mysterious, it is not clear, ambiguous. Nearly all the coconuts on earth grow on islands. Islands, near the water, coasts or peninsulas. So nearly all of them grow on the islands which are close to the water, right? Close to the sea. Coasts, which are called seashore, and peninsulas, land surrounded by water, right? So, alright, class, we have read the chapter number 7, and I have explained the meaning to you, and I've tried to explain it as in detail as I can. And but something, I have provided you with the meanings. I want you to read this chapter, read it. First, read the meanings, try to, understand them, try to learn the meanings, and then read the chapter again after reading, going through the meanings, reading them, or learning them. Then read the chapter again, and you will have no trouble in understanding what is being said, right? So, it tells you about the uses of coconut palm. And a person said that there are as many uses as there are stars, right? It is called the tree of life because it provides for you know everything you need in a house, the furnishings, material needed to build a house, and the carpets, everything, brooms. It provides you with heat, with fire, and then with fans to cool off, and lights with the coconut oil, coconut lamp, coconut wick. And then it gives you clothes, and it gives you material to build a boat, and sails and fishing rods, nets, ropes, and it provides you with the food and drinks, right? And many other products are being made every day, and new inventions are also being found, right? And some say it's not a tree, Why? Because it has no branches and there is no proper trunk, right? And no, there is no trunk in the sap as well. The sap, in fact, the sap is found throughout the whole trunk. There is no proper trunk as you see in a tree in a tree, but if the that is also called trunk, but it's not that proper trunk, that hard tough exterior. It but in coconut palms are very different, right? So, all right, there are no growth rings. In fact, there are marks, scars. They get one scar a month, so you can tell the age, right? And we also learned that what does it need? It needs sunlight and it needs rain. That's why it has affinity towards the sea with water. It needs rain and sunlight, right? Original home is Southeast Asia. The original home is, but now it grows in on islands, right, and oceans, Caribbean, East Africa, and further afield, right? And it spreads naturally. How it spreads? The nuts fall in the sea and they are carried on by the water to some other beach, to some other land, and and there it starts to grow, it starts to sprout, right? And there was this one incident where a volcano erupted and a new island was formed, and they found that coconut seeds had not only were discovered, but they were also sprouting, right? All right, class, I have not only read that passage, I have explained the meanings, I have explained what is said, but I have again revised it as well. For your ease, I have revised it quickly. Alright? So let's do meaning in context. You have to pick out words from the passage which means the following. Now, it should be very easy for you. I'm going to do the first two. Alright? In fact, why don't I do find something which is more complicated? I will do A and H. H. Alright? A and H calculated. Right? So A, looking after, find in para 1. In the first para, like looking after. All right, come to the second line. A second line. With an old man who had spent his life tending them. Looking after means tending, tending, to tend to something, to look after, tending them, right? So you have found the answer. Looking after means you have got the paras as well, tending them, right? Come to H, calculated, para 4. Para number 4. Where is the fourth para? 1, 2, 3, 4. Calculated. Now, fourth para, in fact, the last para on this page, and come to line number 7. Come to the seventh line, or you can say fourth last line, reckoned. But its age can be reckoned by a spiraling row of scars. So the age can be calculated, right? You can calculate, you can count. So calculated age means reckoned, right? Alright class, I have done the two for you as a sample, and no, it was not difficult at all. I have explained the whole passage, all the paragraphs, and the meanings as well, so it's going to be very easy, right? But we are going to do 3 exercises today. I told you that we have to cover more work. Alright, so please try to keep up with me, keep up the pace. It's not difficult, you will have no difficulty at all. It's a piece of cake. I have made it very easy for you. Alright, okay, I'm going to read the next. B, are useful to. Para 1. C, gives or supplies. Para 2. D, furnish or provide. Para 3. E, continuously. Para 3. F, at the present time. Para 3. G, necessary for living. Para 4. H, calculated. Para 4. I, needs or requires. Para 5. J, first or earliest. Para 5. K, putting out leaves. Para 6. Do you think it can be sprouting? Alright class, I have told you, I have done 2 for you as a sample. Now let's read the 6th para as well. Let's see what it says. There are how many paras? 4 paras here, 5 para and 6 para. So, leaves coming out, do you think it is sprouting? You find out. Alright, class. Now let's move to the exercise A, part 2. You have to explain each expression as it is used in the passage. I have done the first one for you. A, the first para, second line, spent his life. Let's come on to the first para, second line. With an old man who had spent his life tending them. So, that man spent his life means all his life had been spent, doing something. All his life had been spent. It means spent his life, all his life had been, had been spent doing something, right? Alright, sorry. The tree of life, I have explained it to you. Try to find it out yourself. See, live indefinitely on. You can see that the para, or you can say the passage number, if it says one everywhere, so it means the whole text is taken as one passage and the lines are mentioned there. The tree of life. C, live indefinitely on. First passage, 17th line. D, industrialized nations, 17, 18, which are developed countries, right? In which there are industries, factories, industrialized nations, which you can say developed countries. Um, E, normal trees, common trees, right? F, growth rings. I have explained this. G, even further afield. Afield, I told you, when you move further away, and you will find the meaning in the word's meaning as well, right? H, some friendly beach. I have told you why a beach is friendly. I have explained in my lecture. I, volcanic action. I have explained what volcanic action is. It's an eruption of a volcano. J, a mysterious affinity with. I have given the meaning of affinity. I have also explained this to you. Now, I have told you the first one, spent his life. The old man's, the old man's whole life was spent. The old man's whole life was spent. Or you can say, his whole life was spent doing something, right? Doing something. Okay. Tree of life, 1-5. I'll do that for you as well. Fifth line. Fifth line is second paragraph, first line, right? Many people call it a tree of life. Why? Because it provides the necessities of life. It gives us the requirements we need to live, right? It provides us with the necessities, with the requirements, or with the materials we need to survive, we need to live, right? That's why it is called tree of life. All right, class. So, pick out words from the passage which mean the following. So you are going to do this on the book. I will make it easier for you. What you are going to do is, words meanings which I have provided for you, you are going to write those words meanings on your notebook, right? Please add the date, comprehension, lesson number, and write words meanings. Write those words meanings on your notebook, and then come to meaning in context. Now you are going to do it on your book. Understand and communicate book number 1. I am making it easier for you, so you don't say that the whole day was spent just doing this. Just make it easy. Do it on your book, right? On the side, in front of looking after, you will write tending them, right? And you will do all the rest like this. Explain each expression as it is used in the passage. So, my dear, you are going to do all this. This you will do. You're going to draw lines, and then you're going to do it on your book. But this, what you have to explain the expressions. So you are going to do it on your notebooks, right? This will be done on your notebooks. All right. Exercise A, part 2. Part 2 will be done on your notebooks. Now let's come to exercise B. Choose the best answer. By his words, the old man implied that when he said, what did the old man say? Let's go back. What had the old man said? The old man had said that if you could count those stars pointing towards the sky, stars are, countless. You cannot count the stars. Then you could count all the ways that the coconut serves us. So what did he mean? Right? What did he mean? By his words, the old man implied that it was stupid to count all the ways that coconuts serve us, or it was useless to count all the ways that coconuts serve us, or it was almost impossible to count all the ways that coconuts serve us. So I will do the first one for you. He implied means what was he trying to tell you, right? What was he trying to say? What was he trying to tell us, pointing towards? Or he was trying to say that it number C. Answer is number C. It was almost impossible to count all the ways that coconuts serve us. Come to page number 47, exercise B, second page. In the second and third paragraphs, the writer names. In the second and third paragraph, what does the writer name? A. Some of the uses of the coconut palm. B. Some of the disadvantages of the coconut palm. Do you think there were any disadvantages mentioned? Not at all. C. All the parts of the coconut palm that are useful to us. So find out the correct answer. 3. You are going to do it yourself. Alright, I have done the first one for you. 3. The fourth paragraph shows dash between the coconut palm and other trees. So what does it show us? The relationship? Is the relationship mentioned anywhere? The similarities, are there any similarities mentioned there? Or the differences? Or it tells us, the differences, how a coconut tree is different from the other trees, like, the trunk is different, and about the growth rings, there are no growth rings. So what does it tell you? The relationship, the similarities, or the differences? Number 4. How did the 41 coconuts get to the new island? So they were found, 40. Does it say 40 or 41? Let's, come to the, where does it mention? Now, where is it mentioned that how, there was another way how coconuts grew? Yes, it was in the last paragraph. Some years ago, first paragraph, last page. Some years ago, volcanic action threw up a new island in the East Indies. And how many coconuts were found? 41, because of volcanic action, right? So what are they asking you? How did the 41 coconuts get to the new island? They were brought there by men. B. They were carried there by waves. Or C. They were cast there as a result of volcanic action. Okay dear, it's a very easy work, and this also you will do on your books. Understand and communicate book number 1. So 2 exercises you are going to do on your book. All you have to do is write the words meanings on your notebook, and then do only exercise A part 2. Exercise A part 1, draw lines and write write them the answers in front of these phrases. Do 2, exercise 2 you will do on your notebooks. 3 B will be done on your books, right? All right class, so this is your work for today. I wish you all the very best, and Allah Hafiz, and please, it's try to keep up with me with the lectures. I have made it very easy for you. Just first read out the words meanings, and listen to the lecture again and again. You will have everything on your fingertips, and you will be able to do everything. Is going to be just a piece of cake. It's so easy. All right class, wish you all the best. Allah Hafiz.